In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rewrite pages in Perplexity AI. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to efficiently use the Perplexity AI tool, perfect for those looking to simplify or reframe content directly from web pages. Without further ado, let's dive into the process. The first step is quite straightforward. You'll want to head to your preferred browser and open the Google homepage. This is your starting point, setting the stage for the rest of the process. Once you're on Google, you'll need to decide on the website that you want to rewrite content from. For this tutorial, we're going to use an example like Live Science, Secrets of the Brain. So go ahead and type that into the Google search bar and press enter. This action will retrieve the web page you're interested in. Once you've performed the search, you'll see the list of search results. Find the specific page you want to work with and click on it to open the web page. With the web page now open, look towards your browser's extensions area where your tools reside. This is where you'll find the Perplexity extension. It's essential to ensure that the extension is properly installed and active. Otherwise, this step may not work as intended. Now, hover over and click on the Perplexity extension. This will activate its functionality, allowing it to interact with the open web page. With the extension active, you'll notice there's an option labeled Summarize. It's right there on your screen, calling for your click. Once you click Summarize, the extension begins its task. This next part requires a bit of patience. After clicking Summarize, you'll need to wait as Perplexity processes the information. The tool is now busy working behind the scenes, analyzing the content of the page and preparing your rewritten text. Depending on the length and complexity of the original text, this may take a moment or two. During this brief waiting period, you can sit back and relax or take the opportunity to brainstorm what you'll do with the summarized content once it's ready. And there you have it. Once Perplexity has completed its task, you'll be presented with a succinct summary of the page. This rewritten content is a reflection of the original, rephrased and condensed to capture the essential points without unnecessary fluff. It saves you time and energy, allowing you to focus on your priorities. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to rewrite pages in Perplexity AI. Integrating this tool into your workflow will enhance your efficiency and productivity when interacting with written content on the web. Make sure to subscribe for more insightful content and feel free to ask questions or leave comments below. See you next time.